CJMCU612 high fidelity headphone amplifier. Module dynamic range SNR greater than 120 decibels. Current feedback architecture with total harmonic distortion THD of 112.5 decibels. The slew rate is 1300 volts S. The module supply voltage range is plus or minus 5 volts to plus or minus 15 volts. Module usage demo. The wiring is shown in the figure. Module plus or minus 5 volts. Connect the audio cable from the MP3 and then transfer it to the audio input terminal of the module through the audio socket. The output terminal plays music through the audio socket transfer 3.5mm headphone cable. Wiring. After confirming the wiring, play music.
It's been a
Then I heard clear music.
day without you,
Adjust the
my
volume.
friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it.
This module demo
when I
ends.
see